Federal judge ruled yesterday that Maine does not need to hand over voter data to the federal government. The judge's decision comes after the Department of Justice's Civil Rights Division sued the state and Secretary of State Shanna Bellows, Maine's chief elections officer, for failing to provide the voter data that the department requested in July. The lawsuit accused Maine and Bellows of violating the National Voter Registration Act. Bellows reacting to yesterday's ruling, saying it affirms that, quote, the states, not the federal government, are in charge of our elections, unquote.